It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 18th of August. I'm Michael Groff. A very active weather pattern in here through the weekend with an increasing chance of showers, thunderstorms, heavy rain, and flash flooding, as well as temperatures to remain well below average, and that will continue all the way into next week. So a lot going on. Let's get into it here. First, we'll look at the almanac from yesterday. 106 degrees the afternoon high. 84 was the morning low. That's pretty much in line with our climatological averages for this time of year. Looking outside right now at 11:45 a.m., a few clouds around. We're sitting at 97 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 65, relative humidity 35%, the winds are light, and the barometer is falling. The upper air weather pattern here across the southwest turning rather interesting. We've got a ridge to the north. There is another ridge over the southern plain states and a very prominent inverted trough moving into eastern Arizona tonight. And out ahead of that, we will see unstable air here with a strong northeasterly flow, and that should bring showers and storms off the mountains and into the lower deserts this afternoon. And with that system stalling out here over the next couple of days, that will be the focal point for showers and thunderstorms. All right, the watch warning map. We now have a flood watch in effect as expected. This is in effect from 11 a.m. tomorrow morning through 11 p.m. on Saturday. And of course, that means the potential for heavy rain and flood and or flash flooding will be possible in and close to that watch area. Elsewhere, we've got heat advisories and excessive heat warnings further to the north over the Pacific Northwest. It'll be another hot day up there. Convective outlook for today, a risk of severe storms along parts of the Gulf Coast, as well as portions of Florida and Georgia, and up to the north in sections of Nebraska, Iowa, and Minnesota. Here's a look at precipitation. This is valid through Thursday morning of next week from the WPC. Rain amounts here in Phoenix between about 1.5 inches to 2.5 inches. We could see anywhere from 2 to 4 inches further to the south and east over the southern border, the southeastern part of the state, and of course over the higher terrain where heavy rain will be likely. And of course, whenever we show this graphic, remember your amount will vary. This represents an average across the region. So let's get into the details of this active weather pattern now. To do that, we'll take a look at the models. Here we go. This is the GFS. It is the 12Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. Here comes that inverted trough from the east. We have another weak area of low pressure along the west coast that's moving inland, and that's going to set up a broad, baggy trough over the region over the next couple of days. So what it means for us down at the surface, we'll see increasing clouds for this afternoon, scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms beginning to fire up over the higher terrain, and they will push toward the lower deserts as we go through the afternoon hours today. High temperatures somewhere in the upper 90s to about 103, and yes, it will be quite muggy. Tonight, a chance of evening showers and storms. Then showers and thunderstorms become likely overnight with locally heavy rain possible. Overnight lows in the upper 70s to low 80s. And then tomorrow, mostly cloudy sky with this inverted trough stalling out over the area. It will be very unsettled with showers and thunderstorms likely. And we could see locally heavy rain, especially in the afternoon, and high temperatures only in the low to mid 90s. Friday night, showers and thunderstorms become widespread across the area with heavy rain possible. Overnight lows in the 70s. And then on Saturday, mostly cloudy sky with showers and thunderstorms likely. Now, keep in mind, it is not going to rain all the time, day and night through this period, but we will have these periods of showers and thunderstorms that come on through, and any one of them could drop locally heavy rain. And high temperatures with all the cloud cover, precipitation expected, higher humidity. On Saturday, probably barely making 90 degrees. That does not happen here in the month of August very often. By Sunday, this inverted trough begins to lift off to the north, but we will still at least see scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms through the day. Locally heavy rain could still be possible, and high temperatures only in the low to mid 90s. By Monday, the trough is now out of here. We see more subsidence taking over, kind of a drier north-northwesterly flow developing too. So that should limit the number of showers and storms around. Still not completely out of the question, but they will be isolated in nature. High temperatures for Monday, still only in the mid to upper 90s. On Tuesday, this run of the GFS is quite a bit more generous in bringing the moisture back into the region. And if this is taken at face value, scattered showers and storms come back in. But for now, we're going to keep the chance of storms fairly limited for Tuesday as well. High temperatures just barely scraping back toward the century mark. On Wednesday, models in decent agreement here, showing a ridge over the Pacific Northwest, an east or northeasterly flow still in place, so scattered afternoon and evening showers and storms here, high temperatures remaining a little bit below average. Then out to a week from today, this is Thursday the 25th, same setup, high pressure to the north and west of us, and northeasterly flow, so scattered afternoon and evening showers and storms continue. But then look what happens as we take a look out 10 days. This is Saturday the 27th. And kind of broad troughing across the plain states, a fairly potent upper trough across Alberta and into Saskatchewan. And if this is correct, well, we could have a surface boundary or some type of boundary pushing into eastern Arizona at that time. And that would be another focal point for showers and storms. This is absolutely not a traditional monsoon setup, but the result would still be the same, at least in terms of the possibility of showers and storms, and a rather unsettled look here. And temperatures would again be well below normal. Looking at rainfall for Phoenix, this is going out through the 1st of September, and this is coming off of the European ensemble. The mean is still up there around 2 inches. And looking at temperatures off the national blend of models, staying below average through most of the forecast period, and you gotta love that. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, of course, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, comment, suggest, do all the stuff that you do when you like a video. And music fans, check it out. My streaming station available 24/7, 365. It is known as KMGX. We play a ton of music. We have a lot of fun doing that. It is myself and the Asian sensation rocking the nation. It's Michelle. We program and operate that station all the time, day and night, just for you. Well, not just for you, for the consumption of the general public at large. But you know, if you want to make it just for you, that's cool too. All right, a lot of rhyming going on here today. It's like Robert Frost is in the building. All right, thank you so much for watching. All of your continued support, it is immensely appreciated. You guys be safe out there and have yourselves a delightful Thursday.